Hi, I'm Oneswa, and I make meals using items that I've grown, raised, or foraged. And today I decided to clean up my fridge because we all know I haven't been cooking much. And the reason is that I've just been so busy with Emandulo. You guys have been keeping me so busy. And I'm so grateful and thankful to everybody that has ordered. If you haven't ordered yet, you can order on the 24th of May. We'll be restocking. Just send a hi to the link in my bio and I will send you the catalog so that you know what to order next week. Because I know there's some people who are going to ask, okay, so what did you forage? Well, I am the fish and prawns original owner. I know their origin story. Okay. I got pomegranates weeks ago. I saw them and I was like, oh yay, pomegranates. I have the same relationship with pomegranates that I have with strawberries. I see them, I get excited, I buy them. They go in the fridge never to be seen again because I actually hate eating pomegranates. I hate crunching the seeds and I don't like peeling them. But I do like pomegranate juice, so I was like, let me make juice with these before they go bad. I decided to try this method of rolling it so that you can release the juice and just squeeze it out. It didn't really work out that well. Like, a lot of juice was still left on the seeds themselves. So 3 out of 10. For all that effort, I really didn't get that much pomegranate seeds. So I decided to use apples because, remember when I was on that campaign with Woolworths? Yeah, that Woolworths. Well, since then, I've been using a lot of apples. So I was like, I'm going to make a pomegranate apple and ginger juice with some lemon. The juice turned out to be 10 out of 10 for me. For lunch, we had a prawn curry with cauliflower rice. The prawns had been in my fridge for a month, which is sacrilegious in this part of the world. And for dinner, we had beer battered fish with oven roasted sweet potato fries. I wish I had deep fried the sweet potato fries, but the fish was excellent. And no, my son did not get to eat beer battered fish. I made him a separate batch. I'm now going to end this voice over here because I think I might have COVID and I get winded if I speak for too long. But enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to order your Emandulo products.